This is the morning brief for Tuesday, the 16th of June 2026. Looking at yesterday, had a massive gap up on the Monday open, around about 800 ticks on news that a ceasefire deal will be signed in Switzerland on Friday between Iran, of course, and the US. We are still flowing downwards on the daily. Nothing really changes that. We're just sort of stuck in now this Bollinger Band zone. It'll need to break cleanly above that, but that's just on the daily. So we'll see how today trades. But we did get selling in New York, possible profit taking or just repositioning for further moves up. Dropping down to the 5 minute, we'll switch on some indicators now. So immediately on the gap up, we're already at the upper third line, which is considerable. We also ran into this value area high from, my goodness, when was that? That would have been from last Wednesday that was untouched, which is now touched, and price traded up. I did get a nice little sort of sell before the Singapore Shanghai Open, just traded within this zone here and got out with a 1-to-1, and then no signal on the next leg up. Then you've got to deal with these sort of periods of consolidation. So that went for about 3 hours, 18 through till 21, 3 hours. Yeah, really just very difficult market to trade where you think it's going to either go up or retrace down, but got a nice bounce. So price discovery continuation off the third level, came up, broke the DVL and went higher. So a couple of 3 pushes up into a high, and then the selling in New York. So currently for today, we'll start marking in some lines. First, I'll get my previous day's high. Up there, which is right at the value area high. We'll mark in the previous day's low, which could come into play today because gold does like to fill gaps, but doesn't mean it will. But we'll trade it as it goes. We are down below the DVL. We are sitting under the IP. We have a lower value fire line just sitting below there. That could be a price for this morning's target. So considering everything's moving down, we should be looking for sells to see if we can trade into this. We are below the New York sessions value area low, so we're in price discovery there, but we're in between the IP and the lower value level. My favorite trade will be to sell into this lower value level or into the previous day's low, and not looking for too much in all of that because of that massive gap up on Monday. And that's it.